This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in Churchill. More specifically, I'm at 3105 P Street. P is in Paul. Today we're going to take a look at a 4-bedroom, 1-bath brick 4-square. This home is located here in a urban block. We've got a church right next door, and we've got plenty of rehab going on in subsequent blocks. There's a rehab that's going to happen right there on that greenhouse at the end. That tan house has already been renovated. There's a lot of activity, a lot of renovation activity here in North Richmond. This home is an estate property, and if you remember from previous videos, I've shared with you that there are certain categories of real estate that are what we call motivated sellers, and the estate typically falls into that category of a motivated seller. I spoke just a few minutes ago with my sellers and described to them that we are looking for a buyer that is going to most likely purchase this, rehab it, and flip the property. We have substantial renovation that's needed here on the property, and we've priced it accordingly. There is also the ability for an owner-occupant, someone that's going to buy and to live in the property, to purchase it with a renovation loan. And if you're a fan of HGTV, you've seen plenty of people buy a home, go ahead, plan the renovation, and of course renovate to their specifications and move in with instant equity. And so that's definitely a possibility here. If you have questions about that renovation financing, just let me know. Be happy to help. There is also the ability here in the city of Richmond to have what we call a tax abatement. And a tax abatement is basically a benefit that is issued by the city of Richmond, and they will reduce your taxes for up to 10 years for a renovation of this magnitude. So you will have significant savings on property taxes. The great thing about it is an investor that takes on a project like this can get that tax abatement and they can pass it on to the purchaser. So it's not something that is lost, and it also is a sales incentive for that investor. You got to do the paperwork in advance. You got to know what you're doing with the process. You just can't wake up one day and decide, hey, we're going to go for tax abatement, and you're halfway through your project. So you've got to follow their process in order to make it happen. Okay, one thing I love about the floor plan here is our kitchen is nice and big. When you're coming back to do your rehab, you've got plenty of space to go ahead and lay the kitchen out accordingly. The door over there goes, of course, to the back. There is no current half bath on the first floor. However, this space here would probably work just fine. There's enough space in there to easily do a half bath, and that would be a big plus in this floor plan. Here to the right, we have steps going down into the basement. It is a traditional basement. We're not going to go down there, but I would not recommend finishing that. Someone could, but typically the value is not there to finish it. Great place for additional storage if needed. One of the beautiful things about these older homes is you've got the character, 100% brick. Good luck finding that today in this price range. Brick all the way around. So if you like that stability, durability of a low maintenance brick exterior, this is an awesome option. Okay, with the 4 bedrooms that we typically see in these homes, what most rehabbers will do is they will salvage one of the bedrooms and convert it to a master bath and a walk-in closet. And here in this home, I'm going to show you all of the rooms up here on the second level and then give you my opinion on how that may take place. We've got good size here in this full bath, which gives you a lot of options. And here on the front corner of the house, this is probably the largest of the bedrooms. And what I would do is use this as the master. We've already got a pretty decent size closet there, but I would take this small bedroom here. This is the smallest of the 4, and I would convert this to a master bath and walk-in closet area. You could easily put a door right here in the middle of the frame and make this a 3-bedroom home with a nice master bath, nice walk-in closet. And I think that would be a great way to make this a much more functional and modern floor plan. If you have questions about this or any other home in the market, be sure to give me a call. My name is Max Williams. It would be my honor to help. We're doing a little bit of a different type of marketing plan here on this home. We're going to accept offers and present them all about a week from the list date. And so it's a good idea to send us your highest and your best offer, because there will be competition on this home. Max Williams, 402-7788. I can be reached on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Have a great day.